Welcome to VLSI series. This is lecture second. In this lecture, we will cover register transfer level, then RTL design in ASIC flow, various design constraints, design review and data path, control logic and glue logic, protocol, RTL integration and HDL simulation, different EDA tools, and synthesis process. First of all, what is RTL? It stands for register transfer level. A digital system is said to be represented at the register transfer level using either registers or operations performed on the data stored in the register or by using control logic to decide when to operate on the data. Basically, it's a data flow between the registers and how design processes that data. It's a designer's choice to select the language for the data flow. Where RTL stands in ASIC flow design, first we have specification, after which we'll have a design entry. Once design entry is finished, we'll go for RTL verification using either Verilog or System Verilog or VHDL. After RTL verification, we process the design in the sequence of synthesis, routing, and fabrication. Then we'll discuss various design parameters. First of all, what is design specification? It is a documentation in which we will cover different functionalities, different timing constants, pinout configurations, then functional as well as register level description. Functional block diagram describes the data flow and sub blocks which make up the design. Timing diagrams shows the timing relationship between input and output. Pinout diagram describes the functionality, direction, width of each pin. Functional descriptions, it is a description of the design including input output relationship. And a register description, it is a description of registers in the design indicating read write access to every bit. Then what is top level design? It is a design unit that incorporates the complete functionality as specified by the design specification. It shows the interface level details. Then what is block level design? The top level design is divided into several functional blocks. The design of such blocks is referred to as block level design. Each of these blocks have their own design specifications and can have sub-blocks. Then what is data path? The path traveled by the signal through a collection of data processing elements such as ALUs, multipliers, shifters, counters, etc. that perform the data processing operations is nothing but data path. Then what is control logic? It refers to design blocks such as finite state machines, multiplexers, encoders that control the flow of data through the data path. Then glue logic interfaces any two design units. For example, the address decoder will act as a glue logic between microprocessor and memory. Then what is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules defined for data as well as control information transactions between any two components. For example, AHB, which is Advanced High Performance Bus Protocol, and APB, which is Advanced Peripheral Bus Protocol. This is designed for low bandwidth control access. We will discuss in detail about protocols in lecture number 3. So keep visiting the channel. Then what is RTL integration? RTL integration refers to the process of initializing individual design units and connecting them in a HDL model to create the desired top level or block level design. HDL simulation is the process of verifying the functionality of the design by running its HDL model on a computer software which is called as simulator. HDL simulation can be done two ways, like event based simulator or using cycle based simulator. QuestaSim from Mentor Graphics, NCSim from Cadence, and VCS from Synopsys are the event based simulators. Verilator is the cycle based simulator. Then what is EDA tools? EDA is the acronym for Electronic Design Automation. EDA tools are computer software tools meant to aid in the IC design process. Some of the examples of EDA tools are QuestaSim, which is used for RTL simulation, then Virtuoso for schematic editing, PrimeTime for static timing analysis. Then synthesis is the process of converting your RTL design into optimized gate level netlist. Netlist is a file that contains the information about gate level components. There are various synthesis tools are available like Design Compiler from Synopsys, Encounter RTL Compiler from Cadence, Leonardo Spectrum from Mentor Graphics. We'll cover the remaining portion in the next lectures. We'll discuss in detail about the protocol in the next lecture. So keep watching the series. Thank you.